Let's summarize the image formation by a concave mirror. So if I keep an object at infinity, the image will be at focus. So this is highly diminished, inverted, real image. Okay, if I keep the object at infinity. But if I keep the object at focus, the image will be at infinity. It will be real, inverted, highly enlarged. Okay, but at infinity. So can you see this? These two are related. Next, we can keep the object before center of curvature. The image will be between center of curvature and focus. It will be diminished, inverted, real. If I happen to keep at between center of curvature and focus, the image will be over here. Again, these two are related. If I'm changing the positions, right, the image and object will switch. But yes, here the object is bigger, here the image is bigger. Okay, again, there is a switch. This I'll show it to you practically. Next. So see, what I'm trying to do here is I'm sequencing it in a way wherein you can understand and relate and remember better. So here here again we have done the switch. Here too we have done the switch. At focus, sorry, not at focus, at center of curvature, we get an image at center of curvature, same size, inverted real image. And the last one is between F and P, we'll get a enlarged virtual correct image. So to summarize, let me talk about this scenario. See, we can keep the object at infinity. Then we can keep it before center of curvature, at center of curvature, between, at focus, then between this two, focus and pole. So please observe this. If I keep it at infinity, the object is at focus, highly diminished. If I keep it before center of curvature, it's over here, inverted and diminished, not that big. Here it's of same size, right? When you keep it at center of curvature, you get it at center of curvature. If I keep the object between this, I'll get an image over here. And next is at infinity. Okay, so what is that I want you guys to observe is, I'm sure quite a few of you would have done it. So people who are sleeping, please see this. I want you guys to observe this. You know, the image size keeps on increasing. Okay, so let me do this properly. No, not that. Not happy. The image size keeps on increasing. So this is basically would be this big. Right? So there's a logic in this, and it is related to similarity of triangles. So we won't be talking about this now, but yes. Okay, I hope you make this observation, and if you understand this, you're pretty much done with all the diagram in one diagram, you know, all in one. And you will be able to answer the tricky questions. And the last case is between F and P. So the only place that is left is behind the mirror, and it is enlarged. So I spoke about the switch, right? That is, when I keep it at infinity, it is at focus. When I keep it at focus, it goes to infinity. Obviously, I can't show this because I can't go to infinity. We can do this though. What if I keep before C, the object is between C and F, and vice versa, right? Here the object is bigger, here the image is bigger. So we can see the switch, right? So let me show the switch. Just a second. So let us discuss the switch. So we can see the image is at almost 23 centimeter, while the object is at almost 40 centimeter, right? We are using concave mirror itself. So I'm switching. So I kept the object at approximately 29 centimeter. Okay, I just have to adjust so that the light source is falling on the mirror, the light is falling on the mirror, and thus we have the switch. See? So you can see it's almost 29, not exactly, but yeah, I'll adjust that. So object is at 29. And the image, it's clearly a sharp image at 40. And yes, that is your switch. Again, all this is small observation. See, the whole idea is light travels in a particular way. It will trace back its path. If I throw it in the same direction, how it came from, it will trace back its path. That's what I'm trying to make a point over here. So when we keep it over here, the object, the image is over here. When I keep the object over here, the image is over here. And to summarize everything, this is your table. So you can copy, take a screenshot, take a print, whatever you guys want. So I pretty much summarize everything. You can add projector.